What a fine day it is, isn't it, everybody? To watch a tutorial video, I mean. And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can buy crypto in Binance. Now, it's pretty simple to buy crypto in Binance because Binance was originally developed to buy and sell crypto. So if you guys are new to this whole Binance thing and crypto thing and they don't know what Binance is, then Binance is the centralized exchange. By exchange, I mean it's a crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And it's the world's leading crypto exchange. It's the world's top crypto exchange in another form, alright? Now, if you guys want to sign up into it because it's secure and a lot of people use it and it's safe, then I will leave a referral link in the description which you guys can use to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into it. Now with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now with that said, let's jump into the video. Now to buy crypto in Binance, first thing you need to load money into your Binance account. How you guys can do that is you can do that through credit card, debit card, or your bank account or P2P trading. You can just go and buy crypto over here, and these are all the way how you guys can load your money inside Binance. After you load your money inside Binance, just go and trade and go on classic. Now if you guys are a beginner, I would suggest you to go classic, but if you know how to use advanced, you can go there as well. It's your choice. Once over here where it says search, you want to search for the crypto you want to buy. So let's say for this video, I want to buy Cardano, ADA, alright? So basically choose the crypto which you want to use. So I'm going to use USDT to buy Cardano. So I'm going to click on ADA/USDT. Once I do that, scroll a bit down and you want to choose which method you want to use to buy crypto. I like to go with market, and market means you guys are going to buy the, Cardano and its actual market price. After entering the amount of Cardano you want to buy, click on buy ADA and your Cardano will be bought. So that's how you guys can buy crypto in Binance. Just make sure instead of ADA, input the crypto which you want to buy. The other steps are similar. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial, and bye bye everybody.